In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own website using Google Sites. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to build professional-looking sites without needing any advanced technical skills or previous experience in web development. It's perfect for personal projects, small businesses, or even creating a collaborative space for your team or class. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to go to Google Sites. You can do this by typing Google Sites into your web browser, or you can visit the Google homepage and find it among the various Google apps, usually listed under the Apps icon in the top right-hand corner of the page. It's completely free, which is one of its best features, and you'll only need a Google account to start using it. If you don't have a Google account yet, it's super easy to set one up, and once you're signed in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now that you're on the Google Sites homepage, it's time to create your new site. You'll see a large button labeled Create or a plus sign icon, depending on any updates to the interface you might encounter. Click on that and you'll be presented with an option to either start from scratch with a blank template or choose from a variety of pre-designed templates. These templates are designed for different purposes like portfolios, class sites, or work-related pages. Choosing the right template at this stage can save you time and give your site a professional look right from the start. After selecting your template, it's time to dive into editing your Google site. This is where you get to personalize it to suit your needs. You can change the theme, adjust colors and fonts, and add pages as needed. The Google Sites editor is very intuitive and user-friendly with a simple drag and drop interface. Navigate around by clicking on different sections of your page, such as headers, images, or text boxes, and customize them with your content. You can insert various elements like images, links, videos, and even embed Google Drive files to make your site more dynamic. Spend some time exploring the editing options to get a feel for what's possible. This is your space to be creative. Once you're happy with how your site looks and functions, you're ready to publish. Click on the Publish button located in the top right corner of the screen. You'll then be prompted to choose a web address for your site, which will start with sites.google.com/view. Make it something memorable and relevant to your site's purpose. Check the preview to see how it looks on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure everything's in place. And with that, you've created and published your site, and there you have it, your very own website is now live. Don't forget, you can always go back and make changes or updates at any time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy creating your Google site.